Good morning, students. We are learning adverb and its kinds. And now we learn fifth kind of adverb of quantity or degree. It is fifth kind of adverb. This adverb shows how much or to what extent. This adverb shows how much or to what extent. Almost, example, almost, partly, extremely. For example, in sentence, this adverb, almost, partly, extremely, these are adverb of quantity or degree we use in sentence. For example, Aman ate apple partly. Here ate and partly. Partly is adverb of quantity and it modifies the verb ate. Second, second example, it is extremely hot. It is extremely hot. Here, extremely hot ये एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाइज कर रहा है. So extremely is adverb of quantity. And next adverb, sixth kind of adverb, sixth kind of adverb, interrogative adverb, and this adverb is used for asking question. For example, what, where, why. An example, where did go? Second, how did you open the book? Next example, when will the train come? Here the word where, how, when are interrogative adverb and these words are used to ask question. Now we have learnt kinds of adverb, and now we are learning formation of adverb. How we can make adverb we will learn in this class. Formation of adverb. How can we form an adverb? For example, cheap, and we make adverb cheaply. We add ly. So we can add the word ly to form adverb. Cheap to cheaply. We add ly to cheap. So cheaply is an adverb. Cheap is manner. Adverb of manner. To form cheap to cheaply. Here last deep, deeply. We add ly, deep to deeply. For time, short, we add ly, short to make shortly, adverb, shortly. We simply add short to make form shortly an adverb of time. Late is also used for time. We add ly to make adverb lately. Another example, use visual, usually. Rare, ly and rarely. We see that we add ly to the word to make adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of degree, etc. We make in another ways to form adverb. We can also make some changes in the main word. We will see an example. The word easy is an adjective. The word easy, and we have to make adverb from this word. We should change something. We remove y and add I. EASY, remove y in spite of I and add ly. सबसे पहले हम y को हटा देंगे, इजी का लास्ट में y है, y को हटाएंगे और इसके बदले में I का यूज करेंगे, इसके बदले में I लगाएंगे और उसके बाद ly ऐड करेंगे. इसमें भी ly ऐड करके ही एडवर्ब बनाया जाता है. इजी, इजीली, which can change something, e to I. ई को हटा करके I में बदल देंगे और उसके बाद प्लस ly करेंगे. सेकेंड, simple. Here we remove e. To form adverb, we remove e. Simple into simply. Simple into simply. We remove e and add ly. Simply. Angry. Here, like easy, angry, angrily. Here these words we are changing to form an adverb. On I will give you some word to form adverb for homework. Take down in your copy. Change these words into an adverb. Words are here. Here are some words. You should change into a adverb. The words are quick, formal, present, late, hard, entire, complete, rare, heavy, noise, lazy, beautiful, gradual, last, most. And I will check the answer next class, and you should make in your notebook the words, change into adverb, or it is your homework. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.